You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Polish, the name of a dessert, a cake. In Polish, it's simply pronounced as Babka. By the way, if you want to learn more food names that are confusing, stay tuned. Babka. Babka. In English, it's pronounced similarly. How to pronounce pronunciation Babka. How to pronounce Babka from Polish Babka. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.